20 years ago, entrepreneurs rushed to build websites. 10 years ago, they rushed to build mobile apps. Today, the new race has already begun. Around the world, thousands of founders are launching AI businesses that can write content, generate images, build software, answer customer questions, and automate work that once required entire teams. But here's what makes this moment different. Many of these companies aren't inventing artificial intelligence from scratch. They're building businesses on top of infrastructure that already exists. And for entrepreneurs, understanding that shift may be one of the biggest opportunities of this decade.
Artificial intelligence didn't create a new demand, it accelerated an existing one. Businesses have always wanted to create content faster, automate repetitive work, reduce operating costs, and serve more customers without endlessly expanding their teams. AI simply made those goals more achievable. What once required specialized software for writing, design, coding, translation, or customer support can now be delivered through a single intelligent platform. As AI models continue to improve, entrepreneurs are no longer competing to build the intelligence itself. They're competing to build the businesses that make artificial intelligence practical, accessible, and valuable for everyday users.
From the outside, AI platforms appear to sell technology. In reality, most of them sell convenience. Customers aren't paying for algorithms. They're paying to save time, increase productivity, and simplify complex tasks. That's why subscription-based AI businesses have become one of the fastest-growing digital business models in recent years. Instead of relying on one-time sales, many platforms generate recurring monthly or annual revenue while continuously delivering value through updates, new capabilities, and cloud-based services. The software powers the platform, but the business is built on long-term customer relationships.
Most people see an AI platform as a simple chat box or content generator, but beneath that interface lies an entire business infrastructure. User authentication, subscription management, payment gateways, API connections, usage tracking, team workspaces, billing, security, customer management, and administrative controls all work together behind the scenes. These invisible systems rarely attract attention, yet they determine whether an AI business can scale reliably. Building each component independently can take months of engineering, so an important strategic question emerges. Should entrepreneurs invest their time rebuilding common infrastructure, or concentrate on creating unique experiences that customers can't find anywhere else?
To move from theory to reality, let's examine one implementation available on Envato Market. Today's case study is Magic AI. It isn't presented here as the definitive solution, but as a practical example of how many of the essential building blocks behind an AI SaaS business can already be organized into a working platform. By studying implementations like these, entrepreneurs can spend less time imagining the architecture and more time evaluating how they might adopt it to create their own unique business. Now, let's look beyond the marketing page and focus on the architecture itself. Magic AI combines multiple AI-powered services into a single platform: content generation, image creation, AI chat, code assistance, and other productivity tools all live inside one ecosystem. That's an important business decision. Instead of asking customers to subscribe to several different services, the platform brings multiple workflows together in one place. The real value isn't the number of features, it's the convenience of solving multiple problems through a single customer experience.
This dashboard illustrates a concept that extends far beyond artificial intelligence. Great digital businesses are rarely built around a single feature. They're built around ecosystems. Every additional tool increases the platform's usefulness, gives customers more reasons to stay, and creates more opportunities to deliver value over time. That's one reason why many successful software companies continue expanding their product ecosystems instead of releasing separate applications. The longer customers can accomplish their work without leaving the platform, the stronger the business becomes.
For entrepreneurs, one of the most valuable resources isn't money, it's time. Every month spent rebuilding common infrastructure is another month before customers can use your product, provide feedback, and generate revenue. Starting with an existing foundation doesn't eliminate the need for innovation, it simply changes where innovation happens. Instead of rebuilding authentication systems, subscription management, dashboards, and administrative tools, founders can invest more energy into branding, customer experience, workflow design, specialized features, and the unique value that truly differentiates their business in the marketplace.
It's also important to step back and look at the broader landscape. Magic AI represents one implementation within a rapidly expanding category of AI SaaS businesses. As you explore the marketplace, you'll find platforms designed for different audiences, different pricing strategies, and different business goals. Some focus on content creation. Others specialize in customer support, automation, coding, marketing, or enterprise productivity. This is why successful entrepreneurs rarely begin by searching for the perfect product. They begin by understanding the business they want to build, then evaluate which architecture provides the strongest foundation for that vision.
The biggest opportunity isn't artificial intelligence itself. The biggest opportunity is building businesses that make artificial intelligence useful. Throughout history, the greatest fortunes weren't created by inventing every technology from scratch. They were created by understanding where value was shifting, then building systems that helped people access that value more easily. AI is following the same pattern. The technology will continue to evolve, but businesses that solve real problems, deliver consistent value, and create exceptional customer experiences will always stand apart. Technology changes. Strong business architecture endures.
For every entrepreneur, there comes a decision. Spend months rebuilding systems that thousands of businesses already use, or begin with an existing foundation and dedicate that time to creating something customers can't easily replace. There isn't a universal answer. Every business has different goals, technical requirements, and long-term ambitions. But understanding the trade-off is what separates strategic thinking from simply writing code. The most successful founders don't just build products, they allocate their time where it creates the greatest competitive advantage.
If today's case study inspired new ideas, you'll find the link in the description below. Take your time exploring the live demo. Understand how the platform is organized and compare it with other AI SaaS projects available on Envato Market. Don't look for the only solution. Look for the architecture that best matches the business you want to create. The more examples you study, the better you'll become at recognizing patterns, evaluating trade-offs, and designing systems that fit your own vision.
Every digital business begins with an idea, but only systems allow that idea to grow beyond the limits of time and individual effort. The entrepreneurs shaping tomorrow's economy understand that success isn't about chasing every new technology. It's about recognizing patterns, making better decisions, and building architectures that continue creating value long after the first launch. Here at Nexera, we don't just explore software, we decode the systems behind modern business, one architecture at a time.
If you enjoyed today's episode, subscribe and join us as we continue uncovering the invisible blueprints shaping the future of wealth. Until next time, keep learning, keep building, and remember, wealth is not built by working harder, it's engineered through systems.